Today I'll show you how to extract emails from messy text in Excel using the new REGEXEXTRACT function. But there is a catch. Not everything with @ symbol is an email. Let's make sure we get only the real ones. Regex is powerful, but let's be honest, it can look terrifying. Luckily, it's not as scary as it seems. First, let's start with the core function, REGEXEXTRACT. This function allows us to pull out specific patterns from text. And what better way to extract emails than with a powerful pattern matching tool? The knowledge of regex can help you a lot, and it transfers well if you like programming. If not, you can find lots of useful ready-to-use patterns and cheat sheets on the web. Some AIs are also pretty good at writing them to save your time. This function takes a piece of text from each cell and extracts the first email address that matches our pattern. But how does this pattern actually work? Let's break it down step by step. Okay, here is the pattern. If this looks like gibberish, don't worry, I'll explain it in simple terms. Let's construct it from the scratch. This simply looks at the @ symbol and ensures that our pattern specifically identifies something that resembles an email. Now let's add \w before and after the @ symbol. \w represents any letter, number or underscore symbol. This is how we will prevent false matches like @employee recognition. The plus ensures we capture full words before and after the @ symbol. But we also need to expand the match to include dots and hyphens, since emails and domains often contain them. So we will use square brackets to isolate these mini patterns. Finally, we require at least one dot in the domain and ensure it ends properly, avoiding accidental punctuation captures. So we will add \dot, \w and a plus. Put this all together and this pattern ensures we capture valid email addresses while ignoring random mentions. As you see, some cells don't have any email addresses, so we get errors. To get rid of them, we will use TOCOL function. It converts the extracted emails into a single column and removes errors from empty results. Now, what if some cells contain multiple email addresses? The formula above will only extract the first match per cell. To fix this, we first combine all the text using TEXTJOIN function, then apply the same extraction logic. So TEXTJOIN function joins all text from our range into a single string, ensuring that all emails from each cell are available for extraction. Then the same steps apply. This method works well, but it's not perfect. Some emails might still slip through if they contain unusual characters. That's where advanced regular expressions patterns come in. You don't need to invent them yourself. There are plenty of refined patterns online. However, understanding regular expressions gives you the power to tweak them as needed. If you can describe the pattern, you can automate it.